Hello YouTube! Thanks for joining us in today's quick tutorial. So this is our Town & Country minivan, and the wife has mentioned that something's wrong with the van. It's difficult for her to make her left turns and right turns. The steering is tight. So I took it for a test drive around the block, and she was right. The automatic steering is very tight. So let's take a look under the hood. So if you're new to my channel and find my video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And here's a problem right here. This is the power steering fluid reservoir. As we look at it closely, the fluid is at minimum level. So we can top it up to its maximum level. And just to make sure, double check on the cap. It should say power steering fluid. So I went to my closest Canadian Tire store and picked one up. Make sure it's certified power steering fluid and it's for your right vehicle. Always ask your clerk to make sure it's the correct one. And just to double check, read the back of the label. For Ford, GM, and Chrysler. Perfect for our Chrysler Town & Country van. Just twist off the cap, lefty-loosey, then pull upwards. I suggest using a funnel if you're not comfortable doing it this way. I'm okay without the funnel, so it's up to you. Nice and slow, just put enough to put its maximum level. And it looks like it's starting to rain, so I better do this quick. That's perfect, right on the line, maximum level. So if you liked my video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you get my latest video. Thanks for watching.